Welcome to Cashbag Online, where money speaks. In today's digital era, online modeling presents a unique opportunity for individuals to earn money from the comfort of their homes. The allure of online modeling lies in its flexibility and the range of platforms available. Whether you're a curious beginner or have experience, diving into the world of digital modeling can be both empowering and financially rewarding. The first step to making money online as a model is to choose the right platform that aligns with your skills and preferences. There are various options available, such as live streaming websites, social media platforms, and modeling agencies specializing in online work. Research these platforms to find the one that resonates with you, ensuring it supports your artistic expression and caters to your target audience. Once you've selected a platform, it's essential to create an appealing online persona. Craft an engaging profile that highlights your unique qualities. Use high-quality images that showcase your style and personality. Authenticity is crucial. Let your true self shine through your modeling. Additionally, actively interact with your audience, as building a community can lead to increased engagement and revenue opportunities. To maximize your income, consider diversifying your approach to online modeling. Explore various avenues such as promotional work for brands or collaborating with photographers for paid shoots. Don't shy away from being creative. Think outside the box by offering personalized content for fans, or even establishing a subscription model where followers pay for exclusive access to your work. The key here is to provide value while remaining true to yourself. As your online modeling journey progresses, continuously evaluate your strategies. Keep track of what resonates with your audience and what generates the most engagement. Adapt your content to meet the evolving demands of the marketplace while remaining true to your values as a model. This adaptability will not only set you apart, but also enhance your potential earnings over time.